In this video, I want to show you how to fix your Brother MFC-L2900DW printer in case you're having Wi-Fi issues or printing issues with it. So the first thing I always suggest when you have any errors with your Brother printer is to simply go on the back and disconnect it from the power source. So even if the printer is turned on, go ahead and pull the plug. Wait around 2 minutes and then reinsert it. The Brother printer will power on by itself, and most software issues will fix by themselves by simply doing this small restart. Now, if you had Wi-Fi issues with it, I also suggest you do the same thing but with your Wi-Fi router. So unplug it from the wall outlet, wait 2 minutes, plug it back, and then see if the Brother printer is able to connect with it and have a reliable connection. In the past, I'd had this issue, not with this unit, but with another printer. And yeah, the problem wasn't the printer itself. It was simply my Wi-Fi router. For any reason, I had to do it, and now it's working great. So check this out. Now, if you're having printing problems with your Brother printer, if you have lines on your prints, or maybe sometimes you get some stains. I don't have any issues with it yet, but yeah, sometimes you get some weird stains, some weird lines. What you can do is to clean the toner, and you don't have to own any tools to do it. You open, you take it out. So this is the drum, and then you see over here, this is made to clean it, to clean the drum actually. So you simply have to slide it right and left. Do this at least 10 times. Okay, go all the way towards the end, bring it back, do this many times, and this will clean for in case you're having any stains, any weird things going on your paper. Then you can simply put it back. Make sure, by the way, that this is completely towards the left side, and it should work again. If you have any problems that are still persistent, you can do a reset. And the great thing about this model is that you can do a factory reset, a full reset, or reset certain parts of the printer only. So by going on the screen, press the home button so you are on the home page. Press on the settings icon, all settings, go down, select initial setup, go down, and then select reset. As I said, you have machine reset, network reset. This is for the Wi-Fi only, address book, fax reset, all settings. And the last one is the factory reset, which will wipe out everything. The printer will be like a brand new one. And fortunately, your issue will also go away by doing this. So thanks for watching. If one of these tricks work, I want to know. So leave a comment down below. Obviously, you can update the firmware. In my case, it never fixed any issues, but you can always do it. I didn't talk about it, but just click over here. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.